Amanda.
Huwag mo yung ano,
Ha? Later, open natin. Wala tayong pang...
may batang nagising. Mahaba sa mami. Sinasarado. Good morning, cooling, cooling. Laka doon. Yes, baby. Paano tayo papasok? May gising ka na. Mabebe ko. Wrap it up. Tayo mag-miss. Para fresh. Very, very light lang. Very simple. Kasi, hindi naman pwede magbongga-bongga doon. Kasi, siyempre magtatrabaho ko naman doon. Hindi ka naman para mag-rampa-rampa. So, very light lang. So, ayan. May isang batang ayaw magpaiwan. Gumising ng maaga. Work si mami. Iwan ikaw kay mama. Ha? Saka kay daddy. Okay? Okay, baby? Okay? Okay? Ayaw? Iwan ikaw kay daddy. Mommy will work. How old are you? How old are you? Ha? How old is Zoe? Ano yan? 2. Two, pero hindi ganyan yung two. Ganito, oh. Two. Yan. Very good. Two. How old are you? Two. Where's two? Show mommy yung two. You're sad? You're sad, baby? Mommy will go to work. Ha? Ha? Oh, you kiss na mommy? You kiss na mommy. Mommy will go to work. No kiss? No kiss. No kiss, baby. Wawa naman si mommy. Oh, you kiss ni Zoe. Yan. And this is our get up for today. Very, very light lang. Very simple. For the first day at work. And naka-black lang ako na chiffon blouse and printed na pants. Ay, hinihintay na lang namin yung service. Nagsusundo na nung iba naming mga kasama. So, baka more or less ako yung late. Ako yung pinaka-late na susunduin. And since nauna yung bandang norte. So, ayan, waiting na lang ako sa service. And ito nga, yung maliit na to, gisingin ko na lang si Georgian bago ko umalis para bantayan siya.
Sabi, itsy bitsy. Itsy bitsy spout. Tingnan mo na kailangan. Come here.
Spout. Dali.
Down came the rain and washed the started out. The sun came along and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Dali na, Sabi. Ano pa?
Rain, go away daw.
Dali kayo. Rain.
Dali, sit down.
Dali.
Rain, go away. Go.
Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Little Zoe wants to play. Rain, go away.
Say ate, hello guys. Say,
Hi. Zoe.
hello guys.
Hi.
Hi, dun muna Zoe.
Welcome.
Dun. Welcome to our channel. Say,
Oh. Hi, Zoe.
Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi guys.
Yan na sa doggy.
Ayan, ngayon kami ay mag-a-unboxing ng kinetic sand ni Lexi at baby doll ni Zoe. Dali, open natin. Go.
Okay.
Baka mabukit ko yung pool. What's this? What is this? Ha? What's this, ate? Show, dali. Show them. What's that? What's that? What is this? Sand. What color? Pink sand. What else? What's this? Yan yung pool. Diyan lalagay yung sand. Wala tayong molde eh. Wala siyang kasamang molde. Bali, 1 kilo lang ng kinetic sand na kulay pink. Tapos yung pool kung saan doon siya ilalatag. Open natin yung pool.
Ay, wag. Can't put in. No peep.
No.
No peep in.
Ito yung mga pool.
We close the door.
Oh, dito ka ate magpi-play ng sand ah.
Close mo yung
Ha? Oh, later, open natin. Wala tayong panghipan eh. Ikaw naman, Swing. Zoe, sit down. Dali, open natin yung ano mo, doll. Come.
There, did it sand?
Ito ay doll galing sa ninang ni Zoe. Si Ninang Pepay. Open natin. Zoe, sit down.
This is for you, sand. You sand? Zoe, open the box.
Zoe, come here.
Come on. Tomorrow,
Ate, this is for Zoe, ha?
Zoe.
No away, ha?
No.
Zoe, come here.
Zoe, come on. No.
Wow! What's this? Dede? May dede?
Yeah.
This one, what's
Ano
this?
pangalan niyan?
This is a baby. Say baby. Baby.
Baby alive.
Baby. Meron siyang doll. Pag nakatayo, naka-open yung eyes. Pag higa, sleep. Open, close. Open, close. Yay! Kiss. Yeah, baby.
Kanina.
Ay, sis naman yan.
Yung kaninang Pepa.
Yes, meron siyang dress. Baka may baby, baka mo.
Yan. Wow, my dress.
May dress. And this is the bib. Lagay mo dun pag dede siya.
Right. How about the dede?
May baby siya.
Right.
Sige, ano na lang pag nandiyan si Dad.
Ganun lang.
Lambot eh.
Teka, nakaalam ko pala yun.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, ganda naman yan. Kiss niya. Kiss mo nga, baby.
My diaper, girl. The dress.
Jesus, Jesus.
Baby, it's a wand and the baby one.
Ano ba yan?
Baby, for the wood.
Pangit na lang mamaya.
Ah, yes, my diaper. Baby, put me under the wing.
Yay! Meron siyang kasamang diaper.
And so,
Ito wala, ano lang, tissue. Tapos may patty. Tapos may spare na dress.
my pizza.
You have sand.
Yeah. You go.
Sleep na siya, baby. Obo, sleep na pala yan.
Where my clothes?
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared. Cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I hope you waited.
Urban Touch, thank you. Face mask, headband, and ear protectors. Salamat. Okay, ito yung, ay, kay Mama Joyce. Ito para kay Mama Joyce. Yung para sa companies and tools. Natin. Ayan. Very ganda ng design. Very colorful. Meron din siyang binigay na organic kape body scrub. Okay daw itong pang-tanggal ng cellulite. And itong Urban Touch organic lip scrub, jojoba peppermint, wild honey, and pH.
Ta-da! It's amazing.
Kasi diba gold yung gusto ko. Ganda! There's rose. Ay, rose gold naman ito. Ay, ganda! Pwede nilagyan ng